today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to make sales. Now, it seems so easy, especially when you first start a business. Well, this is from personal experience. When me and my mom first started our online boutique, we thought we was going to make sales consistently. And that was not true. That did not happen for us. And right now we're at the point where our family and friends are tired of supporting. So if you're at this point, I'm going to show you guys how to overcome that, because strangers are the way for you to be successful, if that makes any sense. Let's talk about wholesaling, because that's what me and my mom do. We wholesale majority. Everything is from wholesaler. Our wholesaler that's in the fashion district in LA. When you go to the fashion district, it is so hard not to buy everything. I'm always fighting with not buying too much stuff and staying under a budget. But if you have a shopping problem, it's gonna be a little difficult, because you want to buy literally everything. But you have to stay focused. Stay focused, because it's hard for me, but I'm getting there. So when you go to the fashion district, you have to buy about 6 items of the same one, same color, different sizes. But if you're cool with the wholesaler, they can work some deals out with you. So once you get your inventory, you put it on your website. If you don't want to pay for a website, you still can go through Vix. They have a free option if you don't want to pay for it yet, or you just can't afford it. When you start a business, it costs so much. Now, let's talk about the main reason how me and my mom make sales, because a lot of people question it. And so I'm just going to tell you guys, we do pop-ups. Now, I know pop-ups is not popular in a lot of different states, because every time I'm on live, they always question me. And some people even downplay me, saying, look, a yard sale. And it does not. We put a lot of effort and money into me and my mom's business. So when you do pop-ups, especially at flea markets. When you do pop-ups at like Jazz Fest or festivals, that's the main way you can get customers. That's new customers, new customers. And that's basically it. That's all that me and my mom do. We do events, make sales, and we still make sales online as well. I'm actually going to work on a series on all about business 101. I'm giving you guys all of my tips, because when I first started this business, I was very delusional. And I just thought everything's going to make it. I was just going to make it and have 1,000 sales. I was just unrealistic. But reality hit me the hard way, and we had to make it work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial, and make sure you subscribe. I have been so consistent. I say this all the time. I'm so consistent. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video.